There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying the stairway to heaven.
A few moments later.
Taylor, 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 Taylor.
Now please a moment of silence for Taylor Snaza. Thank you.
Is my team plowing that I used to drive and hear the harness jingle when I was man alive?
Aye, the horses trample, the harness jingles now. No change though you lie under the ground you used to plow.
Farm living is advice for me. Boy, I've been out here all day. This old Gretchen, we call her Andrew for short. She hangs in there pretty good. She's gonna eat like a horse tonight, though. Plowing these fields, making them vegetables, keeping America going. That's what we do. We've got about 1,000 acres left. It's gonna take a while. We'll get her done.
Is football playing along the river shore with lads to chase the leather? Now I stand up no more.
Aye, the ball is flying. The lads play heart and soul. The goal stands up. The keeper stands up to keep the goal.
Eagles at their own 35-yard line. They hand it off to Saquon. Saquon, he's gone! Saquon Barkley! Saquon Barkley! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! For a 65-yard touchdown! Holy crap, bro! He was wide open. Eagles put up 6 for the lead. Oh my goodness! Let's see a replay. 68. Oh my goodness! What a good block! Leaves him wide open for a lot of space, bro. Holy crap, what are those three doing? They're not even trying. Sore losers.
Is my girl happy that I thought hard to leave? And has she tired of weeping as she lies down in me?
Without you, I feel broke, like I'm half of a whole. Without you, I've got no hand to hold.
Aye, she lays down lightly. She lies down not to weep. Your girl is well contented. Be still, my lad, and sleep.
Is my friend Hardy, now I'm thin and pine, and he is found to sleep in a better bed than mine.
Yes, lad, I lie easy. I lie as lads would choose. I cheer as a dead man's sweetheart. Never ask me whose.
The author of Is My Team Ploughing is Alfred Edward Hausman. He was born on March 26, 1859, Bromsgrove, United Kingdom. He died April 30th, 1936, Cambridge, United Kingdom.
Some interesting facts about Hausman. His father was a lawyer. He was one of 7 children. He was a mama's boy. His mother's death on his 12th birthday was a cruel blow, which surely is one source of the pessimism his poetry expresses. He wrote 63 poems. He assembled his best unpublished poems so that Moses Jackson, his friend, could read them before he died. Housman's best known for his cycle of poems, A Shropshire Lad, and lastly, he was a classicist poet.
Now about the poem, Is My Team Ploughing? It was published as number 27 in Housman's 1896 collection, A Shropshire Lord. The poem is written as a conversation between the deceased man and his friend, with the dead man asking questions about ongoing activities like plowing fields, playing football, and the well-being of a woman he cared for. The poem draws heavily on imagery from rural Shropshire, reflecting the poet's personal connection to the landscape and the simple, traditional life it represents. The theme of Is My Team Ploughing is the acceptance of death and the continuation of life.
Now to sum everything up, we will be playing the song version of Is My Team Ploughing.
Yes. Yes.
Is my team ploughing that I all used to drive, and hear the honest jingle when I was man alive? The horses trample, the honest jingles now. No change though you lie under the land you used to plough. Is my girl happy that I thought hard to leave? And has she tired of weeping as she lies down at ease? She lies down lightly, she lies not down to weep. Your girl is well contented. Be still, my lad, and sleep. Is my friend hearty? Now I am thin and pine. And has he found to sleep in a better bed than mine? Yes, lad, I lie easy, I lie as lads would choose. I cheer an man's sweetheart. Never ask me whose.
This is too long of an outro, so end. Okay, why isn't this working? And... Stupid computer!